Hi, my name's Maren and welcome back to my channel, Maren Makes It. Today I'm going to show you how to remove gel nail polish at home using two different methods. This is a little bit more involved than removing regular nail polish from your nails, but I kind of view this as the trade-off for the nail polish also lasting you that much longer. I think it's pretty obvious that it's more than time to remove my gel nail polish. Here are all the materials that I'm going to be using today. You have your nail polish remover or acetone, a hand salve by Burt's Bees. You could also use a different lotion or Vaseline for this purpose, some different nail files and cuticle pushing tools to help scrape off the gel nail polish. Then you have these little clips, cotton swabs, and aluminum foil. You don't need both the aluminum foil and the clips, you can do either or. I'm going to show you two methods for doing this. Step one is to file the nail across the nail polish. You're not filing all the way through the polish, just enough to break through that top coat. You'll be able to tell when you're through the top coat when the polish starts looking more matte as opposed to glossy. I'm trying to show you this right here, but it's a little bit hard to see on camera. I think you'll be able to tell in person though. The purpose of doing this is to give the remover more surface area to work on. Step two is to use the Burt's Bees hand cream to protect the front of your fingers and also your cuticles. Acetone is really drying both to your nail beds and to your skin, and you really don't need it to be working on your skin right now because you're going to be leaving this on for longer than you would need to remove regular nail polish. It can be really helpful to protect your skin ahead of time by doing this step. Step three is to soak some cotton swabs in acetone. It takes some time for the gel polish to come off, and if you've ever spilled nail polish remover, you'll know that it evaporates really quickly. So you need to cover the nails with something to slow down that evaporation and give the nail polish remover time to work. This is where you have two options. You can either use clips that are specifically made for this, or you can use aluminum foil. With the aluminum foil, you'll need to cut it up into smaller squares to individually wrap each finger. Step five is waiting with the nail polish remover now on your nails. I would say wait at least 10 minutes and then you can check one or two fingers to see how it's going. When you check the fingers, you can try to scrape off some of the polish with your scraping or pushing tool. If there's a lot of resistance, you might need to put the foil back on and wait a few more minutes. It's worth it here to wait those extra few minutes to remove it properly so that you don't accidentally take off layers of your natural nails. Gel nail polish is quite rough on your nails, so we don't need to make it worse here by being impatient. While researching this video, I actually learned that your nail has 3 layers to it. I would assume that you're automatically taking off that top layer, usually with gel nail polish, because it's only a few cells thick. I also learned that your nails on your dominant hand supposedly grow slightly faster than the one on your non-dominant one. I've noticed this with toenails before, but I've never noticed it with my dominant hand. So I want to hear what you guys have observed. If you've ever observed this, let me know in the comments down below. I'd be really curious to hear. As always, there's pros and cons to each of these methods. With the aluminum foil, the pros are that you probably already have this at your house and you don't have to go out and buy another thing just specifically to do this. The cons of the aluminum foil are that it's much more time consuming to cut out small squares of aluminum and then individually wrap each finger and toe. Also, it does create more waste since you're throwing away little squares of aluminum that are too small to be recycled. The other method for doing this, I'm going to do on my other hand. This method uses clips that are specifically made for removing gel nail polish. Again, you'll be using cotton swabs with acetone on them. The pros of these clips are that they're quick and easy to use even with your non-dominant hand on your dominant one. The cons of the clips is that it's another beauty product that you have to go out and buy and find a place to store at home in your bathroom or in your beauty closet. I did not have these clips for the first year when I did my own manicures, but since I was doing them so regularly, I ultimately decided that they were a worthwhile investment into my at-home nail routine. I will link the ones I like down below. If you need to add in more acetone, you can always do that by pouring it gently into the top of the nail clips or foils. These methods work if you got your nails done at the salon or if you do your own gel nails at home like I do. If you missed that video from me where I explain how I do my own nails at home, be sure to check that one out next. I'll link that one down below. If you found this video to be helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!